Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine and I'm your French coach. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Speak French avec moi is dedicated to beginners and travelers. So if you're curious about learning some French, maybe because you're planning to go to France or you're just curious, feel free to follow my podcast. Today, the lesson is about learning how to express feelings and emotions such as I am cold, I am hot, but also to say things like I am scared. It's a little bit more complicated in French than in English. And again, feel free to go on my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi. I have a lot of different contents. It is free, and also feel free to go on my website, Speak French avec moi, if you want to book some online lessons to go a little deeper in your French knowledge. So let's not spend more time on this. I guess you're very eager to learn. So the first thing to know is how to say I am and I have. In French, the verb to be is être. To be, être. To have, avoir. To have, avoir. And to say I am, you say je suis. Je suis. The oui sound, you need to bring your lips together, just like whistling. Oui, oui. Je suis. And to say I have, j'ai. J'ai. Je suis, j'ai. Now, let's learn how to say essential emotions and feelings. Hungry, faim. Faim. Hot, chaud. Chaud. Cold, froid. Froid. It's afar. Froid. Sad, triste. TR sound. Triste. I will make a podcast later on that sound. Triste. Tired, fatigué. Sick, malade. Malade. Angry, en colère. En colère. Two words. En colère. Peur, afraid. Afraid, peur. Surprised, surpris, if you're a man. Surprise, if you're a woman. Surpris, surprise. Z. Surpris, surprise. Happy, content, if you're a man. And contente, if you're a woman. Content, contente. You have two semi-vowel sounds, and I know we haven't studied them, so it's so hard, but let's try. Content, content, contente. Now, you will use I am with content, contente. Je suis content, je suis contente. sad. I am sad. Je suis triste. Je suis triste. I am tired. Je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. I am sick. Je suis malade. Je suis malade. I am angry. Je suis en colère. Je suis en colère. So in French, we link words together. So you have 4 words here. Je suis en colère. But since there is an S at the end of suis and en is a semi-vowels, you will link it together with the Z sound. Listen carefully. Je suis en colère. Je suis en colère. Je suis en colère. I am angry. Je suis surpris. Je suis surprise. I am surprised. Je suis surpris. Si vous êtes un homme, je suis surprise. If you're a woman. Now, you use I have with anger, cold, hot, and scared. J'ai faim. I am hungry. J'ai faim. I am hot. J'ai chaud. J'ai chaud. I am cold. J'ai froid. J'ai froid. I am scared. J'ai peur. J'ai peur. This is the end of this podcast. By now you know how to express feelings and emotions that could be very useful in case you're stuck somewhere or you need to talk to a doctor. Feel free to check my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi, or to book some lessons on my French website, Speak French avec moi. Merci et à bientôt.